Here is SHRM's trademarked competency model for HR professionals. Based on their extensive research and professional expertise, the leaders at SHRM published this model several years ago to guide the development of its members. To show you an example of a competency model, let's walk through the different components of this one. This model includes 9 competencies, each one in a blue box. 8 of them are behavioral competencies, and 1 of them is a technical competency. There are 3 categories of behavioral competencies. Interpersonal competencies include communication, relationship management, and global and cultural effectiveness. Business competencies include business acumen, consultation, and critical evaluation. Leadership competencies include, obviously, leadership and navigation, as well as ethical practice. Each competency is made up of multiple skills, multiple abilities, multiple qualities. There are also 3 categories or domains of the 1 technical competency included in this model, HR expertise. These 3 categories are people, organization, and workplace. The model also identifies the HR functional activities that are related to each of the 3 knowledge domains. For example, to develop HR expertise about people, we should master talent acquisition and strategic planning. To develop expertise about the organization, we should become proficient in labor relations and workforce technology management. Add a strategic mindset and effective individual performance, and this model predicts success. Keep in mind that SHRM developed this model for all of its members, regardless of their level of experience or education. All HR professionals will rely on these 9 competencies, according to SHRM.